Everyone, I am Dr. Renita, Assistant Professor of Physics, Bishop Heber College, Tiruchirappalli.
Electromagnetic induction. In this lesson, we shall learn about electromagnetic induction. The phenomena of electromagnetic induction can be demonstrated by an experiment. Consider insulated copper wire winding on the paper or wooden cylinder so as to form a coil in the form of solenoid. Connect the two ends of the coil to the galvanometer and place a magnet close to it. The readings of the galvanometer is 0 when the magnet is stationary. The pointer of the galvanometer deflects towards the right when the north pole of the magnet is moved towards the solenoid. The galvanometer shows 0 reading when the motion of the magnet stops. This proves that as long as the magnet keeps moving, current flows in the solenoid. If the magnet is moved away from the solenoid, current flows in the opposite direction in the solenoid. Thus the galvanometer deflects towards the left. The deflection increases if the magnet is moved away with a greater velocity. If the polarity of the magnet is reversed and the magnet is brought close to the solenoid, then current flows in the opposite direction. The galvanometer turns towards the left side. Faraday observed that the current flows in the coil only when there is a relative motion between the coil and the magnet. The direction of the deflection in the galvanometer is reversed if the direction of the motion is reversed. Some factors leading to increase the current in the coil. First one is by using the strong magnet. Second one is increasing the motion of a magnet. Third one is increasing the area or the number of turns of the coil. According to the Faraday, when there is no relative motion between the magnet and the coil, the magnetic flux within the coil remains constant. So, the galvanometer shows no deflection. But when the magnet is moved towards the coil, the magnetic flux changes and the EMF is induced in the coil. If the circuit is complete, the EMF causes current to flow through it. Based on these experiments, Faraday is formulating two laws of electromagnetic induction. Whenever there is a change in magnetic flux linked with the coil, an electromotive force is induced. The magnitude of the induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux linked with the coil. The direction of induced EMF depends upon whether there is an increase or decrease in the magnetic flux. Thank you.